In this video, I will be demonstrating the functionality of Update Status. The demonstration is performed in version 7.2 Global Review Station, but will apply to other station types. Update Status will allow you to quickly and easily modify statuses and batches of members regardless of the member type selected. This tool does not apply to custom property statuses. Custom property statuses have to be accessed using the Edit Review tool. Update Status can be run from the main menu, the Drawing Editor's File drop-down menu, or from the Model drop-down menu in Modeling. In Modeling window, Update Status can be run using the Q shortcut key or from the right-click menu in the review stations. The major difference between running Update Status from the main menu in Drawing Editor or from the Modeling window is that in Modeling you have the ability to update the member status by selection using the By Area button, whereas the Update Status launched from the main menu or Drawing Editor do not have the By Area option. Status fields can be found in 3 locations in SDS2. In the 3D model attached to the member, in the 2D Details and Submaterials Drawing Data, and in the 2D Sheets Drawing Data. Note that the member detail is an individual component that is projected onto the sheet. Reviewers are concerned with only the member and model and the sheet that contains the member's 2D component. When we use the Update Status by Area option from Modeling, if the members are selected, you will only update the status fields of the selected members and model. If the By Piece Mark Member Mark option is used, the members selected from the list will have their statuses set within the 2D Details Drawing Data and their respective members in the model. If the By Piece Mark Detail Sheet option is used, the 2D Sheet statuses will be set in its drawing data. All the details on the sheet will have their statuses set in drawing data, and all the members in the model will have their statuses set. In Modeling, I will load a status display that has a condition in Priority Level 1 to mask all the members that are not in Sequence 1. In Priority Level 2, to change to cyan any members that are approved. In Priority Level 3, to change to magenta any members that are as noted or revise and resubmit. And in Priority Level 4, to change to maroon any members marked as rejected. I will change the members to solid and zoom to fit the model in the display. Let's begin with the By Area Update Status option. Selecting these two 3B4s out of the batch, I will run the Update Status and set the approval status to be rejected. Then using the By Area option, I will then finish by confirming answering yes to the prompt. When we look at the sheet's drawing data, we see that the status is not set to be rejected. It's the same when we look at the 3B4 Details drawing data. But by the maroon color in the model, we can see that only these selected members out of the batch are set to rejected. Now, when I run the Update Status, set the approval to approved as noted, and then select the By Piece Mark option, then from the list select the 3B4, leaving the Member Mark option set, we instantly see all the 3B4 members in the model change to magenta, meaning that the 3B4 model status has been set to approved as noted. In Sheet 3's drawing data, we see that the status is still set to not reviewed. But on the 3B4 detail, the drawing data is now set to approved as noted. Running the update status again from the model, this time I will set the approval status to approved, select the By Piece Mark button, and then change the selection list from Member Mark to Detail Sheet, and select sheet number 3. We now see that the sheet status is set to approved. All the details on the sheet will be set to approved, and all the respective members in the model will be approved. This can also be confirmed by running the (7.2) Model Detail Sheet Model Member Approval Status by Sheet report. We can see from this demonstration that update status can be a double-edged sword if used carelessly. I will finish with a tip for companies that are using the Model Assist method of reviewing the project instead of approving only the model. The term Model Assist means that the 2D drawings are being approved in the traditional manner and the model is used only to assist with the review. Using the Update Status by Sheet piece mark, I will set all the statuses in all locations back to Not Reviewed approval status. It is very important that the drawing or members are not in use or the status will not be set on that item as stated in any reported output. I have created in Status Display a configuration that will set all the members on sheet 3 to white and any members that are set to Not Reviewed to gray. Now I can easily see all the members on the sheet in the model. I will open sheet 3 in Drawing Editor, and as I review the members on the sheet, I will use the Update Status by Piece Mark Member Mark to set the statuses of members on the sheet and also have them set in the model. Let's set 3B1, 3B2, 3B5, and 3B6 to Approved, and then I will set to 3B4 to Revise and Resubmit. When we look at the model, we see the approval colors appear: cyan for approved members and magenta for the Revise and Resubmit, white for the members that are not set on the sheet. When I run the 7.2 Model Detail Sheet Model Member Approval Status by Sheet from the sheet, we can see members we missed and the sheet statuses. I will finish by setting the sheet status to the worst case scenario, Revise and Resubmit, and then move on to the next sheet. This concludes the Update Status video.